Remote control pairing settings. First, connect the cable with the control panel. Then turn on the power button. The control panel should be activated at the same time. Press and hold the menu button until settings is seen on the panel.
Enter setup mode.
Press the menu button 4 times to enter the remote control interface.
Remote control setting.
Press plus first. Then press any button on the remote control immediately, like A, to pair successfully. If A has already been paired, please use other buttons to pair, otherwise it will overwrite the previous pairing.